What's up guys? You have been asking for it and we are now delivering. The all new HXD is here to go to work. That's a 102 wide gravity tilt trailer. Let's go take a look at those specs. So starting at the front, the 2025 HXD is going to come with that brand new Smol 2-speed jack. That's an Italian made jack. It is beautiful. It's got the galvanized foot on it. The gearing is really smooth. Again, it is 2-speed, got low and high, making unhooking and hooking super easy. When we move on back, we have the updated brand new HD V-tongue lid design, which gives you that extended deck space. So if you need to use it for longer material or even pull like a scissor lift or something up here on the tongue, you can, which would normally be void space on a other competitor's trailer. Then when you go inside, you have massive storage area inside for your spare tire, for chains and boomers, whatever you need to put in there, you can lock out of the way. We've got the engineered beam tongue, so it's a little bit deeper, nice and strong. Then this is where the magic happens. We're going to a 102 wide deck, which means you can haul even 2 pallets side by side. It gives you way more versatility than your standard low boy between the fender trailer. So it's kind of a hybrid between the low boy and then a deck over. Again, giving you that wider deck in front and behind the fenders. We have a nice perforated extension here, which gives you a little bit more traction and also is a little bit self-cleaning. So when you get mud or ice or things, you can actually be washed through the holes here. So it's standard with the treated wood floor. Then we integrated the same step latch design that we released on the HDT last year. You simply open the latch and the bed will begin to tilt. You walk to the back, step on, and the gravity tilt does the rest, putting it in tilt mode. The gravity tilt system by Stillwell is an awesome system. It slowly pulls that hydraulic fluid through the system, dampening the speed at which it goes up. And then again, when you put the equipment on it, the speed at which it comes down. The other cool feature, so when we talk about the 102 wide, is the ability to drive over the fenders. We have a really slick, easy, gradual surface to drive up over the fenders. And you can see if you get close, this kind of punch design that adds traction over the fenders. Instead of your typical diamond plate, this gives a little bit more aggressive traction for, say, a rubber tired vehicle. You got over-width vehicles, Jeeps, you've got the big side-by-sides that folks haul on them, things like that, that need to drive over the fenders. So you have a really nice gradual increase or incline over the fenders, you being able to use that additional 102 bed width. Then when we go back to put the bed down, again we have that cushion effect coming down, and then you'll be able to see the demonstration of the step latch once we get ready to lock it. It's that simple. It still uses the hydraulic locking valve as well, so that if you need to lock out the bed in the up position, if you have a longer wheelbase vehicle or whatnot, you can actually lock the bed in that position to be able to load that vehicle so that it doesn't go ahead and tilt on you. The HXD is available in 22 foot, 24. It's also in a bumper pull and a gooseneck. And lastly, it's available with 8K axles or 10Ks. Jump on DiamondC.com to learn more about the HXD today.